Hi, welcome back to the Friendly Fox. Today I want to show you how to make your own homemade vanilla extract that you can use for baking. I'm sure you know at the grocery store they sell an artificial extract or a pure vanilla extract, and they're both pretty expensive, but making it at home is so much nicer. And you can use it as a gift too. So let's get creative. So when I make mine at home, I keep building on it. So you can see here that there's a lot of vanilla in there. So we're going to put that to the side, and I'm going to show you how I start mine off. You'll need a glass jar with a tight-fitting lid on it. You have to go to the grocery store or the health food store and buy some vanilla bean. And vanilla bean comes in a glass jar or glass tube, and it's just that. And you also need alcohol for this. The alcohol that I use is either rum, a bourbon, or vodka, but it has to be an alcohol that's drinkable. The bourbon is really nice. The spiced bourbon with the vanilla bean is beautiful. Very easy to do. Oh, that smells so good. Very easy to do. When you put it into your baking, the heat burns the alcohol off. So you take the beans and you just cut them into about an inch long length. And then I also split them. And that paste that's inside there is what actually makes the vanilla extract. All of this. So just split every one of them. The stronger you make, like you can put 4 beans in here, or like mine that I've had for, I don't know, a couple of years now. You just keep adding to it, and the more vanilla you put in it, the stronger it'll be. This is a vodka that I'm adding to this one. So after you shake it, you can see in there, I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but you can see in there that the paste is coming away from the actual bean pod, and that's what saturates the alcohol with the flavor. The longer you let this sit, the better. That's why I build on mine, and that's as simple as it is. Makes a great gift. I would recommend that if you are going to give it as a gift, that you let it sit for even 3 to 6 months even. That's why I build on mine, because this is years old now. The longer you let it sit, the better it's going to be. So thanks for joining me.